Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing a men's perfume and this is the Jaguar Classic Black. So I am wearing all black because I am reviewing the Jaguar Classic Black. So this perfume, I have not personally used it, but I have asked my friend who is using this perfume for at least I think 6-7 months. I mean, he really loves this perfume, and I know that if I review it by using it myself, then I won't be able to give the review that I will be giving it according to my choices, and that is not right, I think, because it's a men's perfume, because that's his opinion. So it's a male opinion, I think you understand what I mean to say. Anyways, let's talk about the packaging. The bottle came in a box and this bottle is very classy. I mean, I saw the bottle, it's so classy. It has that black color. It is a glass bottle. It has that black color and that steel, this outer border. It really looks classy. It is a 100 ml bottle. The steel is so shiny. It will just adorn your closet or wherever you keep your perfumes. It will adorn that space up. It's really nice. And this is EDP. This has a concentration of perfume somewhere in between 5 to 15%. So that's an EDP. The price is 3,300 rupees. 3,300 rupees, which is okay. I mean, for a men's perfume it's quite okay, but yes, you will get decent discounts online, so you can just buy it. I think, in my opinion, the price is quite okay. So now let's talk about the fragrance. I think that's the most important part. This has a top note of citrus flavors. I mean, green apple, orange, and that mandarin. These are the top notes. So when you spray it, this will be the smell which you're going to get, and when this will linger, it has a much more woody, musky fragrance with that hint of cedar. This woody fragrance makes the smell very masculine. I mean, I really like the smell. Really, this is very good. And yes, this is definitely a date perfume. I mean, it will give a very good impression. First impressions, very good impression. Yes, the longevity of the perfume, I mean the staying of the perfume, this has a very good staying. And for men's perfume, I think this point is the most important point. Men's perfumes have very less kind of smell options. They are mostly musky, woody, and citrusy, and they do not have that floral kind of thing. So I think the staying quality is much more important, because most men's perfume, this is very confusing because they do not have a very good staying quality, but this perfume does stay quite a long time. It is going to stay for a good 24 hours on a hot summer day. I mean, on a hot, humid summer day when you're just sweating, this will stay. This is going to stay for 24 hours. I think that is a very, very good staying power for any perfume. I mean, may it be men's or women's, I think 24 hours is a good time for a perfume to stay. In winters, your apparel is going to have that smell till you wash them. That is quite awesome. Your wardrobe is going to smell like the perfume, so that is really good. And I think for a perfume of this price range, this is really a good quality. Yes, this perfume will give you the feel of a luxury perfume, while this is really at a lower price range. I mean, this does not cost so much, but it will give you the feel of a luxury and classy perfume. I mean, it actually smells far more expensive than it actually is. So that is really good. So you can buy it if you are planning to buy a good perfume in this price range, then you can go for this. I will definitely recommend this. Do subscribe to my channel if you have liked my video. Do hit that like button, and yes, hit the bell icon and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching the full video.